Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful desk calendar for upcoming new year, and here I have created these digits for the day, and this is for the month name, and also added a drawer to add small things. So let's get started. For this we need embossing pad, some archival inks to color flowers, ball tool and groove golf tool, foam applicator, microbead pearls, liquid glue, scissor, some pattern papers, and digit and month name printout, black color card sheet, and 1 mm strong magnets. First I am taking this black sheet which measures 15 by 15 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Then again rotate your sheet and crease on 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Here I am creating a cube for our digits or the number of days, and I have folded all the crease. Now I'm just cutting each flap like this. Now I'm taking one more black piece which measures 7 by 7 centimeters, and from all four sides I am creasing on 1 centimeters. Then I am chopping the corners like this. Then folding the creases. Also, I am adding this small portion in the middle of this square like this. So that will be the lid or closure of our cube. Now I am just closing my cube and securing it using glue. Now add glue on this lid and just close the cube. So the cube is ready. In the same way I have created one more cube. Now I am taking one more black sheet which measures 14 by 9 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 2 centimeters. Rotate your sheet and again crease on 2 centimeters. Then rotate at 90 degree and crease on 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Here I am creating the box for our month name. Now folding all the creases. Then I am cutting each flap like this from both the sides. And now I am going to chop these all four corners like this. And then I am just constructing my box by adhering it using liquid glue. So this is done. In the same way I have created 2 more. So in total we will be needed 3 boxes for 12 month names. Now I'm taking one thick card sheet. This is approx 500 GSM black sheet, and this measures 23.5 by 20.5 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 6.5 centimeters and 17 centimeters. Now rotate your sheet on 90 degree and crease on 6.5 centimeters and 14 centimeters. Here I am creating outer body of our desk organizer. Now I am cutting these flaps like this. And then I will join the base using glue. So first I am creasing all the parts. And I am not going to crease this upper part. I will keep it as it is like this. So now I am going to adhere only the bottom part using glue. So the base is ready. Now I'm just putting my boxes and cube inside this, just to check that it is fitting perfectly or not. So this is perfect, and now I am proceeding to the drawer. For this I am taking 16 by 12.7 centimeter sheet, and I have creased on 2.9 centimeters and 13.2 centimeters. Rotate it, and I have creased on 2.9 centimeters and 9.8 centimeters. So here I am creating a box for our door. So just fold all the creases and construct the box. So box is ready. To create lid, I am taking 28 by 7 centimeter black sheet, and from left side I have creased on 3 centimeters, 13.5 centimeters, 16.5 centimeters and 27 centimeters. So I'm just joining the first and last flap like this. So now we can slide our box through this drawer. Now take back your base, and I am going to connect my drawer in the base of this. So this is done. Now I'm taking one more black sheet which measures 10.5 by 22 centimeters, and I'm adding this sheet on the back side of our base. it will also hold the drawer, so everything will come together and will be more sturdy, and it will give the support for our drawer from back side. So this is done. Now I am decorating the cube and the box for day and month using some pattern papers. In the same way I have decorated other cube as well. Now I am decorating the boxes for month. In the same way I have decorated remaining boxes. Now taking back the base, and I am decorating this base also using some pattern papers. Now I have decorated the box for our drawer also using pattern papers. Here I have added one pearl so that we can easily pull the drawer, and also decorated the edge using border design. So I am just sliding my drawer, and for the top closure portion I am using magnet. So here I am taking one black sheet which I have decorated with pattern paper, and I am going to cover it with this. So this measures 10.5 by 6.5 centimeters, and on back side of this I have added two magnets like this. Now I am adding one more pattern paper to cover these magnets. Now taking two more small magnets and putting exactly on the before magnets. I have already added double-sided tape on this, so just removing the liner and putting on these flaps. So the magnets gonna stuck with the base. Here I have used 1 mm magnets. Now I am covering these flaps also with pattern paper. All the supply lists are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. So this is done. Now I'm just putting my days and month boxes inside this. Now I will decorate it. So to decorate I am making some paper flowers and leaves. So here I am taking 8 petal flower and coloring it with yellow archival ink, and for the leaf I am taking light green and dark green ink. I will shape these flower and leaves using group golf tool. And for the center of the flower I will use micro bead pearls. In the same way I have created some more big and small flowers and also created some leaves. Now here I have this beautiful die cut out, and I have added here wishing you a year full of hearty laughs, smiling faces and warm hugs. So this is the sentiment which I have stamped, and now I am decorating this using flowers. If you don't have dies, you can just cut one circle shape, add any pattern paper in the center, add handwritten sentiment and decorate with flowers. Also decorating this flap using some designer corners and some more flowers. So now I am putting everything on the base like this, and this is done. Now here I have prepared these month names and digits, and I got these images from internet. I am giving these images in the description box as a template, you can download from there. So I have fussy cut each element, and now for the month I am using black color base, and for the digits I am using golden color circle base. So some numbers we will be needed repeatedly, so you have to print it twice. Now I am taking my cube and I will start arranging the numbers. So for the first cube we will be needed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for other cube we will be needed 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. So I'm starting with my first cube. it's done, and in the same way I will add the remaining numbers on other cube. Now I'm adding my month names with the box. In the same way, I have added remaining 8 months with other 2 boxes. Like this. Now taking back my base, and I am putting my month name and day. So here I have set my calendar to 1st January, and this calendar you can use for any year, so it will be a lifetime calendar. And now if you wish to change the date, just remove this upper flap and rotate your cube with the 2 and you will get 2nd January. Super easy to change the date. In the same way you can add any date from 1st to 31st. And if you notice, I haven't added 9 digit on any cube. So if you want a 9 number, you just need to rotate your 6 number like this. So for the date 9, 19 and 29, you have to rotate number 6. So that's the calendar project. So my project is done for today. I am sure you will try this very soon before New Year, and you will give to your nearest and dearest. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comment and suggestions. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.